What's up, guys? This is a very, very serious announcement. The dump is on the way. It is coming. And if you guys have been staying up to date with the channel, you would know a few days ago, in fact, even yesterday, we said one of the key things we are waiting for is a pullback to this level, to this 28K level. Now, I know there are two ways that the chart can go. And you guys that have stayed up to date should already have your stop losses and take profit from the short announcement. You should be very aware with your notifications set on that if we hit this level and break through this $30,800 level, that we should be approaching this 33K level. You guys can see it here. If we break here, you know, we go straight up, right? If we break this level, we go full send. However, I have been making you guys very, very aware that a dump could be coming. While everybody else was calling for the moon, me, Morpheus, was announcing that the dump could, in fact, be here. The dump could be coming. And we have some interesting news. Crypto miners have sent $1 billion over to exchanges in the past 2 weeks. 2 weeks, $1 billion to exchanges. Ask yourself this question. Do you think they will be going long and doing some leverage long situation? Or do you think they're going to be selling that Bitcoin? Miners usually sell Bitcoin at favorable prices to keep their extensive computer operations running. BTC miners have sent over $1 billion worth of crypto assets to exchanges over the past 2 weeks, but not necessarily to sell their tokens. Come on, guys. Let's not cap here. These guys are going to be dumping like fuck because they've got electric bills to pay. You know, ain't nobody paying their electric bills. So what does this mean? Right, we are in a very, very interesting situation with crypto. We are basically what is called a 50-50. We can go up and we can go down. Usually, if you're in a situation where, you know, we're pumping around these areas, you know, we're going up. Momentum's going to take us up, right? It's very unlikely that we're going to go down, right? If we hit a resistance level, right? If we hit a resistance level like this, you know, there's a possibility that, you know, we could go down, right? If we hit this level here, it's logical, right? We're hitting resistance, yeah, we can go down. It's pure basic logic, right? But we are at a level where we've got Bitcoin, $1 billion worth of Bitcoin on exchanges. We've also got a position where we've got ETFs releasing this week. If you guys kept up to date with the channel, make sure that you subscribe. Yesterday we spoke about the ETFs. So what does this mean for the price? Now, long term, if we're looking at the long term, right, if we pull up the weekly here, I'll get rid of the Ichimoku, right? Because I don't really think that weekly is telling the truth. The Ichimoku weekly, by the way, guys, is trying to tell us that we are at a big booty resistance. Like this is a big booty resistance. Like this is like two cheeks, right? This is wobbling. You know what I mean? Like the Ichimoku is telling us that we can't break that. I don't believe in that. Those of you guys that when you see the Ichimoku trading strategy, you'll see this is pretty much only a daily time frame strategy. Doesn't really do too well on the 4 hour, even the hourly or the weekly with the strategy that I like to use. So don't be frightened by that. We could easily take off anytime soon. So don't worry about that. But in terms of the long term, right, we are at a point where we do have a bit of momentum, right? We have just ticked bullish on the weekly MACD. So long term, we should be smooth sailing here, right? We should be smooth sailing. In the last BTC halving, we did have a black swan event. Now there isn't pretty much like, come on guys, what else could they say here? Aliens, we know that there's aliens. War, we've already got a war going on. They can't bring the vid back because ain't nobody going to be going inside. We're all tired of that stuff now. We've only just been let out. So there isn't much in terms of a black swan that can possibly feasibly happen apart from the world ending. So we should be smooth sailing, you know, for the next 250, what's that? 254 days, right? 55 days, smooth sailing into the BTC halving. But remember, guys, I will continue to say this like a broken record to keep your guys' head on. This is only dollar cost average stage. This isn't 40x leverage, 100x leverage stage. This is simply dollar cost average stage. And try build up your portfolio. Even if you're trading, this is 3 to 5x leverage max. So the scenario that I'm looking for is for this bearish momentum to continue, for us to break this support level that we've got. We have a current support level set about here, which is 30,180, just about, yep. And if we break that level, we should see the pullback to the level that we've been waiting for, which is this 28k level, about 28,100 level, which should pull us in about 6%. So for those of you guys that got a nice entry and stop loss to take profit, you probably be stopped out by now. It's okay, don't worry about it. You should have a little bit of profit secured from this from this 3% move, which would have been 30%. And what you can do is, if we do break this level here, I would say I would wait till we break this level here, because what happens is usually we come down, ping here, we'll come up a little bit, and then we'll ping straight back down. So if we break any of these levels, preferably this level, I would enter a short, because you're looking at, what's this, 6%? Yeah, just by the eye, look, that's how you know I've been on the charts too long. 6%, 6% dip you're looking at, which is 60% gains right there, guys. So yeah, easy trades to make. These are the two scenarios. In fact, I'll leave it on here for the next video. The two scenarios are, we either come up, boom, tap this 30k level and then range in here for a little bit, right? Or we're going to come down. From experience, guys, BTC halvings, we always range. Don't expect to hit 40k until next year. Don't expect to hit a certain amount of price until next year. If we do, great, but don't expect it, right? And yeah, you never know. Maybe I'll come on video with a pair of Cartier sunglasses next time if we hit 45k. I might have to level up the sunglasses games. But guys, the future looks bright. It really does look bright for Bitcoin. Even if we pull back to this level, no need to panic. I know the thumbnail that you're seeing is probably me screaming right now, but yeah, that just gets the clicks. So you guys keep clicking it. I'm gonna keep posting it. Simple as that. But yeah, those are your two scenarios, guys. If you're struggling to make money right now and you want to learn how to make more money to invest into crypto, I've got you completely covered. So wait right here, I'm going to show you something. This is the free Discord, and we have just added esoteric knowledge to the Discord. The man himself, Nero. If you don't know who Nero is, you guys need to hop inside the Discord channel below, completely for free, and you will learn how to transurf and manifest your reality completely for free. We also show you about reselling. You can see the success here. You can see people selling trainers, right? We also show you SMMA, right? People closing 2 clients in one day, right? We show you plenty of different ways to make money online, even drop shipping, right? Which is what people are selling a lot of 997 courses here. You can see my little cousin made £3,000 in the last 90 days drop shipping. I will show you all of this completely for free. Completely for free. The link for that is down below. It's called the Side Hustle Club, and my goal for you there is to show you how to make more money to play this game. Because if you're watching this right now, you might not have enough money to play this game, right? But what about if I told you could have an extra $5,000 to $10,000 a month to invest into crypto completely for free, and all you had to do was join the Discord below? Well, it is true. There are plenty of other people doing the exact same thing, and it's not costing them a penny. So you can do that too. It doesn't matter what level you are, doesn't matter what level your skills, your experience, you can get started, guys. The future looks bright for Bitcoin. Thank you very much for tuning in, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.